Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, as you can see, this is the ceiling fan beside me. That is a polar ceiling fan. So get started. So first let me adjust the chair so that I can easily show you the fan. So guys, now let me show the ceiling fan. Guys, as you can see, this is a ceiling fan and this is the cap. And let me either I am inserting the cap up. As you can see guys, lot of dust inside the fan. These are the connections. This is the capacitor of this fan, and this is a polar 2.5 mmd. I can easily see. And these are the red is the connection. This is the red wire which comes from the winding. This is the main winding which is the capacitor, and this is a yellow wire. This contains the three wires, red, green and yellow. And these are the two wires which comes from the fan. This is the blade of the fan. And let me show the cap upper part. And this is the cutout with this rod. This rod belongs to Havells fan, and this is a Havells fan because Havells fan comes with this type of capacitor, and oil capacitor is gone now. Now capacitor has transferred into PVC capacitor. So how to adjust the cap? As you can see, I have adjusted because the cap is broken. Leave at least minimum gap in the red. We show the upper cap and the upper part of portion. And this, as you can see, this is the upper part. These are the joints of the fan. These are the joints, and these are the joints of the fan. Let me show you. These are the joints of the fan. As you can see guys, this fan is quite this fan is quite old, but this fan is, let me show you, this is a polar fan, and this is a polar fan. This fan creates some noise. These two bearing, this is a blade. Let me show the design. This is, as you can see, this is a design of the fan, and this is the cap of the fan. And this fan works well also. Since I can see, this is the shackle, and let me show, these are the joints of the fan. This is the wiring wire. These are two wires, red and blue. Red wire connected with red wire of the wiring, and a black wire connected with the blue wire, which is comes from the winding. So let me show the cap. As you can see guys, this cap is like that goes down. So let me, there is a tape provided here to keep the canopy not going down. Now let me adjust the cap. Let me show the connections of the fan. These are the connections of the fan, as you can see. So guys, let me show the connections. These are the, so this is the red wire, and this is the green wire with white wire which comes on the fan, and this is the yellow wire comes the capacitor, and these are the two wires, the phase and neutral wire. So guys, let me show you the testing video of this polar fan. As you can see guys, let me show you the testing video for this. As I said, this, so guys, I have this is the, so let me adjust the cap. As I said, this is the polar, and this is the upper one. I have shown you the joints also. So guys, now let me show the testing whether this fan works or not. So guys, now let me show you the testing video of this fan. So now let me first just show the regulator. So now guys, I'm not switching on the fan. As you can see guys, the fan had started. This is speed 1. Now the speed 2. As you can see, the noise is coming little bit noise coming from the fan. So This is the speed 3. Slowly the speed is increasing. Now the full. Now the final. Now as you can see, the fan has started in full speed and it is working very well. This is the old model fan, polar ceiling fan, as I had already shown previously. So guys, now hope you guys like the video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have a comment box, please give it to me. Thank you, tata, and bye bye friends.